Hello Internet. Today I'm going to be making a phone holder that looks like a retro TV. I have seen some of these on the internet for sale and they're expensive, so I decided to make my own. I am going to be using a box cutter today. You can use scissors if it's safer for you. It will take longer, but it might save your fingers. So here we go. First is you're going to be cutting out the general shape of your TV. These are these rectangles I'm cutting right now. You're going to want to cut 4 because we're going to make it double thickness. So next we're going to kind of round the corners off on those just to make it look a little cuter. Plus old TVs are kind of roundish around the screens, or they used to be. Look it up on Google Images or something. And then you're going to take an old phone case or your phone and trace the size of your screen so that your phone fits in there. Then you're going to take your trusty box cutter or scissors and cut that screen out, but only on 2 of the blanks because the back of the TV you want to be whole and not have a hole. Haha, cheesy. Anyway, keep doing this until you get the desired shape, and also make sure you're thoroughly irritated while trying to get this piece out. You always want to get a little upset when you're crafting. Keeps things interesting. Now that you've thrown your little fit, you can go ahead and cut out the other box, and you're going to glue them together to make them stronger. Then we're going to measure a straight line to put a shelf in, because this is what your phone is going to sit on. Go ahead and glue that in there, and then glue the front to the back. This next little wall you see me putting in is so that your phone does not slip past the screen space and it stays in place when you slip it inside. You don't want it moving around on you. That way you can see the screen. Next, you're going to get colored paper, cut it and glue it to the outside of the TV, and you're going to do the same with a long strip of cardboard to create the sides. Leave the bottom open, it helps resonate sound, and it have a place to put the feet of the TV. And then you're going to get your accessories and create fun little shapes or whatever you choose. This is what I chose to do, kind of cute. And then we're going to work on the antenna and the feet. I used a coat hanger and some wire cutters. Kind of cute. I didn't really care for the crease around the side, so I'm going to use some beading. Cover that up. Kind of looks like a little grandma TV. Kind of cute. And then just put your phone inside. And you have something really cute, homemade, and just kind of fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Try it yourself. Bye for now.